What's the purpose of belly dance? In this video, I'm going to answer that question and bust 3 common myths about belly dance. Stay with me. Marhaba, I am belly dancer Jensuya, helping you to achieve your belly dance dreams with the technique and culture of belly dance. Belly dance myth number 1. Belly dance is an Islamic dance. I think many people believe this because belly dance in North America today has its roots in Egypt, which is largely an Islamic country, and many of us naively believe that if something comes from a country which is largely Muslim, it must be Islamic. In fact, much of the belly dance community today, including myself, believe that belly dance started in India way before Islam started in the Middle East, and then belly dance worked its way westward, where it largely settled in Egypt and flourished there. So myth number 1 busted. Belly dance is not an Islamic dance. It's a secular dance, not associated with any religion. If this is making sense to you right now, leave me a comment saying, "Got it, Jensuya." Let's move on to myth number 2. Belly dance myth number 2, you have to be a certain gender, size, age, and body type to be a belly dancer. And I think that this is based on 3 stereotypes that we often give to belly dancers. One is the James Bond girl, the sexy, seductive belly dancer who's all about teasing men. The other one is the show of the early 70s? I actually loved it. I Dream of Jeannie, who's kind of a silly, a little bit airhead dancer, who's really pretty and doesn't actually seem to have many brains. And the third one is the Victorian age Orientalist paintings where women were fantasized about basically by Western culture. I think these misconceptions are overwhelmingly due to television, film, literature, art. Their need to tell their own stories, and they're not trying to tell the story of what belly dance is. In fact, if you've never seen a belly dancer in person, just do a quick search here on YouTube and you'll see people of all genders, sizes, ages, and performance situations doing belly dance for enjoyment, for recreation, for performance, and even for exercise, which you can totally check out one of our 5-minute workouts to get some exercise. So, belly dance myth number 2, you have to be a certain gender, size, age, and body type to be a belly dancer. Busted. You can be any gender, size, age, or body type to enjoy belly dancing. Belly dance myth number 3, belly dance is exotic dancing or stripping. I'm not an authority on exotic dancing or stripping, but I believe that those dances are meant to tease sexually. I think the confusion between those and belly dance stems from the history of belly dance in North America. Raqs Sharqi, literally the dance of the East, arrived here from Egypt for the World's Fair of 1893. The producers of that show termed it belly dance and vulgarly advertised it as the hoochie coo, suitable only for viewing by men. They thought that the mesmerizing moves of the dance would be too indelicate for the Victorian corset-wearing ladies. So in their zest to sell tickets, they left us with this legacy that belly dance is a naughty dance. In fact, belly dance is a dance to express the emotion of the music. Whatever the music is doing, the dancer should be doing on his or her body. For instance, if the drum is doing a roll, a dancer would be doing a shimmy. If the music is more gently undulating, the dancer might be gently undulating her body or an arm. So myth number 3 busted. Belly dancing is actually the expression of the music on your body. So to summarize, what is the purpose of belly dancing? It is to delve deeply into and embody the music. It is to find tarab, a deep emotional connection with the music. It is for fun, it is for exercise, it's for entertainment, celebration, and recreation. There we have it, the purpose of belly dance. If this video has shed some light on the subject for you, smash that like button and share this video on your Facebook page. 2 videos that would be excellent ones to watch after this one are Exotic Belly Dance Story Time and Is Belly Dance Moral and Decent? Thanks for being with me, and we'll see you on the next video.